Burgundy Banquets. The ambience is so beautiful, very sophisticated. Also, the hospitality is top-notch. I love the food that they've served. Everything was piping hot. Nothing was cold, soggy. The variety was so good. And everything was very fresh, and the taste, all of them, all the dishes were equally as good. All the catering is hats off. So Burgundy team, you have done a very good job. I really love it, and I appreciate the efforts that you put into your hospitality. Thank you so much.